taa achọrọ m ikwu maka ndị ọkpara na ndị ada. Firstborn daughter, firstborn son in every family. They are the first people in the family that ought to be respected because they are the defenders of the family. Every family when Adam opera, although sometimes Adam may be the last born, opera may be the last born, but on the with them that some people, maybe some families, they take the Adam and the opera for granted, but they are the kindest people you can see in the face of the earth, because how to everybody, or they feel that they are responsible for everybody. They take insult anything from their younger ones. Every family when opera is a blessing. Iwe opera nne kele Chineke, he's your defender. Iwe ada nne kele Chineke, she's your defender. Ọ ga-ahụ ebe a nọ na main road na-akụgbu ya gbachiri nkịtị, ọ ga-alụrụ gị ọgụ, lụrụ gị ezigbo ọgụ, but ọ ga-ajụkwa onye chọrọ. That is how responsible they are. Because him na-ekwu ihe ahụ. Every family nwere ada, nwere ọpara, because respect. And I'm not saying that all of them are 100%. They are not 100%. Out of 10, you may get 9 that are very, very responsible. So the other one doesn't make all of them bad. I don't even think any of them is bad, because no be opera or Adam that has no sense. They all have sense. Please respect them. Ndị Igbo shi otu arishina ha na-eji aka abụọ ebu ya. No matter the size, even if you are taller than him or taller than her, she's your adanne and he is your opera nne. Ngwano, ndewo.